It's Thursday, kids are home from school, disruption, it's cold, it's wet, but I am showing up for Thermomix Thursday, and I am sharing with you one of my, as you know, there are lots of things that I'm loving about Thermomix, but this is the reason why I have not chopped up a single onion, garlic or ginger since I've had this machine, and it is like it takes 3 seconds. My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living, and this tool has allowed me to do that, and I want to inspire you to do it as well. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to chop up a onion and garlic, and it literally takes 3 seconds. But first of all, I just wanted to show you, for those of you who aren't familiar with the machine, maybe you haven't seen any of my videos, so it comes, you know, a single bowl. It's got one blade. A lot of food processors, my food processor has got so many different blades. It's got one blade. If you one way it's sharp, and then the other way it's blunt. And to get your, it's all dishwasher proof. You literally just take it out like that. That's what the blade is. Put it into, I'm doing it with the wrong hand. Make sure you slot it in the bottom, and then you just slip on that bottom piece. And as I say, if you are like, I'm going to be chopping onion and garlic, and all I've done is cut it in half. And I'm going to chuck it in there. I've got 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to throw in there, and I've got my seconds. I'm going to do it on 3 seconds, and I'm going to do it at speed 5, because I kind of want it chopped up but not really fine. Okay, did you see how quick that is? How long would it take you to do that with manually with a chopping board? And so you can see that that is chopped up. If you want it, like I know that a lot of Indian cooking has it as a puree or a paste, you can, then you do it at speed, at your level of like an 8 or a 9, so that's really finely chopped. If you want it quite chunky, then you do it at a lower level, so you can totally, you know, do it to whatever you want. I don't know, there's something going on over there. It's the joys of having the kids home. Off, Alexa. The other thing is, if you want to, you know, this is time consuming, then you can chop up heaps of onions and garlic and then put them in the freezer, so that when you get home and you're putting a meal on quickly, then it's all ready for you. So thanks so much for joining me. Now, you may have seen that we have recently been told earlier this week that there is a price rise coming on the Thermomixes. We do not know how much, and we do not know when. But if you are thinking about getting one or thinking about having a demo, then reach out to me, and let's have a chat and see what problem that you're looking to solve, and what and if I think that it can help you. So just comment below or PM me. But did you know about how quick and easy, from seeing this video, did you know how quick and easy it is to chop onions and garlic? Does that appeal to you? Okay, see you later. Bye.